Hello, I am Dr. Sahebgowda-Shetty, consultant plastic surgeon at Dr. Shetty's Cosmetic Center, Rajajinagar, Bangalore. Mommy makeover is a procedure wherein we reverse the pregnancy changes. After delivery, there are major changes in the breast, abdomen, and birth canal. In breast, because of milk secretion, the breast is inflated during breastfeeding. Once it is stopped, it gets deflated appearance and it sags. So the breast is lifted. So it involves removal of little bit of skin, and sometimes if they desire the volume also to be reduced. A little bit of volume also can be reduced and better shape can be given. So in abdomen, there is, because of stretching of the abdominal wall, muscles become weak. In case of muscle weakness, we tighten the muscle and then the skin is stretched and thinned out. So we remove that extra skin and the skin which has got more stretch marks, that is scars. So it is called as abdominoplasty. Then the third major concern is the lax vaginal wall or vaginal canal. So we replace or repair lax musculature so that the vaginal canal or birth canal becomes tight.